Hi guys, welcome to TutorCruncher. Today we will be talking about how we can automatically mark invoices as paid on TutorCruncher. So to do this, you need to first go to System, Settings, scroll down to Accounting Settings, and click on General. Here you have to check this checkbox for automatically mark invoices paid. Once you check this, then it will allow you to use a client's credit to be able to pay off their invoices. So, for example, you've got a client who has an invoice balance or a credit of £300, and we've raised an invoice for £100 for them, then that entire invoice will be paid through their credit if you've got this setting enabled. Similarly, for example, a client has only £50 on their account and we've raised an invoice for £100, then that invoice of £100 will be partially paid by their credit and the rest of the invoice amount they'll have to pay via card or bank transfer. So just to show you how this works, we're going to look at two different clients. We're going to first look at Ella Clark. Ella Clark has an invoice balance of £400, which you can double check over here. And we have raised two invoices for her of £150 each. So let's see how that works. So now we're going to scroll down to Accounting, Draft Invoices, and raise an invoice for Ella Clark. So when we click on Regenerate, you can choose the start date and the end date, and regenerate the invoices. Here you can see we've got Ella Clark here. We've raised two invoices for her, and these invoices are for these two lessons. And as you can see here, this invoice is now fully paid using the credit on her account. So we confirm the invoice and raise confirmed invoices, raise invoice. And now you can see that this invoice has been fully paid using the credit on Ella Clark's account. Now, the other person that we're going to look at is Jake McDonald. So Jake McDonald has an invoice balance of £50, as you can see here, and we're going to raise an invoice for him for £100. And we've also got another invoice for him for £150. So when we regenerate these invoices by following the same drill, go to draft invoices, we regenerate the invoices. If you like, you can do that again. And now we've got Jake McDonald on here. So here, Jake McDonald's invoice is part paid because they don't have enough credit on their account. And the rest of the amount they need to pay using their card, which will be written here. So this is how automatically mark invoices as paid works, and you can use this for any and all of your clients.